Hey guys! Today we're gonna open this adorable cash register from Minnie's BowTique. Time to open the box. So here's the little cash register. With this cash register, you get this adorable pink basket with an apple and a croissant. The pink basket is full of little hearts. Don't forget to take your money from the back of the box. Here you have $1 bill, $5, $10, and $20. On this other side, you have the coins and your credit card. $0.10, a quarter, and 5 cents. This is your very own Minnie Mouse credit card. Let's put away the money and the coins. After hours of shopping, I found some cool toy surprises. Now let's pay for them. And now we're ready to scan. This is my first toy surprise. It's not giving me a price, so I'm gonna punch it in. This egg was $4.99. And I think this one was $5.99. My total is $13.97. I'm gonna pay with my Minnie Mouse credit card. No change necessary. Time to open the toy surprises. Monster High chocolate surprise. Delicious milk chocolate. This is a Monster High sticker. Flyer. And a little pendant. Mad Science. Next chocolate surprise is a Kinder Surprise from SpongeBob the movie. Sponge out of water. My favorite, Kinder chocolate. Yum, yum. This is Gary. SpongeBob's pet. Hi, Gary. And here we have a little flyer. Now we have here one more surprise. It's a chocolate surprise. Milk chocolate with white chocolate. The toy surprise is Perry the platypus. Actually, it's Agent P from Phineas and Ferb. Agent P. I actually have one more thing to buy, and it's a frozen capsule. Look, the price is $2.99. Scanner still not working, so I'm gonna punch in the price. $2.99. And that's it. I'm gonna pay with my Minnie Mouse credit card. Now let's open this frozen capsule. Wow, we got Queen Elsa. She comes with a frozen little base. You see, this is Queen Elsa. Now let's compare this little cash register with the digital cash register. This is the digital cash register. Let's turn it on. Comes with money, coins, and it has sounds. Let's scan something and see if we have a price. Let's try this can of Play-Doh. $4.30. Let's try something else. How about this Queen Elsa? $16 and something. Let's try Gary. $6 and something. How about Agent P? $16. Whoa, this is a very expensive platypus. Let's try this croissant. Our total came up to $52.20. We're gonna pay with the Minnie Mouse credit card. Cool cash register. I think Minnie Mouse wants to say something.
Polka dots are always in season. You look wonderful.
Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Minnie Mouse and toy surprises.